It's 401 Bros, and it's been a long time, but we're finally back. Gonna continue making videos. We haven't left anywhere yet, and we're not quitting. It's been about 2 months or so since we posted the last video, and pretty much I ran into something. I had to take care of myself a little bit, so I couldn't record videos and do anything, and plus my brother had a little situation, and we'll get into a little detail later about that. But for now, just watch the edit of me installing the tires and wheels, us together, and after we'll be recording the tires, the fitment, how it looks, and pretty much the situation that happened with my little bro. So stay tuned, enjoy. Alright, so here it is, the situation that happened about 2 months ago. So, a slight fender bender to the front end. Literally, it was late at night, pouring rain. I wasn't with my brother, but I was kind of close around him. And then he comes and we talk. I noticed that he ain't that happy, not in the mood. But yeah, so ran over a curb and this is what happened. So the front lip spoiler got smashed nicely and there's a fat crack in the bumper right here. So the plan is pretty much he already ordered up the lip. This is repairable, but it's gonna not look as nice already. So my brother didn't want to just repair it, so went ahead, ordered the lip for about 180 bucks or so, and we'll repair the bumper at the shop and repaint it. So a total around 400 bucks probably to fix this, but he will do this in the springtime. So until then, we're not really gonna have any roller photos or anything, but here are the wheels and how they look right now. Alright, so as my brother is drying it, kind of finishing up his wash, give a little more detail. These are Apex Racing, so the wheels are by Apex Racing. If you guys don't know, I suggest you guys check out their website, check out their wheels. They're lightweight, very good prices. My brother picked these up, $300 off on a group buy, so the SM-10 model, and it turned out to be like $14.24. So for a whole set of wheels, that's pretty good price. That's their little technology or whatever on the side. They kind of shave off these spokes or whatever they're called a little bit, and it takes off some weight. And that's not the only thing, but that helps with the weight savings. So when I lifted these wheels up myself compared to stock cars, they are actually very, I mean, not very, but yeah, they're lightweight. So check them out, Apex Racing SM10s. So brother decided to go with more aggressive setup. I mean, I'm sure there's guys would have like crazy aggressive and it stick out, but that's not the look we're going for. Going for more of a racing style look with these meaty tires. So there's no rubbing in the front, and there's a little bit rubbing in the rear end. And I'll show you, it's like right here. Pretty much the reason behind that is car has some super soft suspension. So going over bumps and dips, it's a little soft, and there's a lot of travel in the suspension, so it has some slight rubbing, especially if the car is like fully loaded with a bunch of dudes. Or chicks maybe, I don't know, but whatever my brother's driving around, maybe bricks or whatever. Okay, what am I talking about? Who drives bricks around? But yeah, anyways, a lot of suspension travel, and that's the reason the rubs in the back. So his plans are to get some coilovers, stiffen up, get a little bit of less suspension travel, and obviously it's gonna go away. There's gonna be no rubbing, and the fitment is actually spot on, it's perfect. We don't need any spacers or nothing, so 22 offset and 30 with the tire specs I already talked about. Man, T, bro, what is he doing? Probably biting somebody already. Yo, Topic. Chill, fam, chill. Oh, got the cookie right there. Don't forget about that. Hey, comment in the section below. You want me to continue this build? You want me to sell it? What do you want me to do with that 240SX? Alright guys, so to finish off the video, just wanted to say that Foil Fun Bros is not going away just yet. Topi, come here. Always tries to sneak away when you're not watching. Smart dog, these little poodles. I tell you, a nice dog, you should get one. They don't shed, they don't bark that much, they're chill and calm compared to little chihuahuas. Anyways, getting off sidetracking down here for a sec. So yeah, my plans are maybe get another car off Copart, but I'm not going to try to get anything exotic or whatever more high-end. Not exotic, high-end, like my Porsche Panamera I had, the last car. I'm going to go a little cheaper, that's for sure. And my brother, as I was saying, wants to get coilovers, wants to get a tune. So we'll be having videos of the installs on that. And plus, pretty much, once it's done, we want to make a bunch of sound clips. We want to make a bunch of videos of us just driving maybe up the mountains, little roller shots. So if you're into E92s and you like BMWs, I suggest you just stay tuned, follow us. Maybe there's something you guys want to know about this car, or like anything, any questions, just let us know. Hit us up in the comments below and stay tuned. For Fun Bros, we out.